All right, and we are now live. All right. Anyone got questions on the homework, or are we just gonna jump right in like normal?
Yeah,
Let's
jump
in.
Sounds good. Go to Trader Joe's. Can you go to Trader Joe's? Go to the store. All right. Where'd you go?
All right. Does everybody have it open and the spreadsheet open?
Yeah.
There's a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
Well, just the two sample z-test.
Data analysis one.
Oh yeah. All right. So 1 and 2 always like normal. 3. Use the data from the table to find the portion 1.
I got
Which just said portion 1 was the portion for females.
I got 0.743 for number
Yeah.
3.
Yep.
Same here.
Okay.
And then 0.712 for the next one.
Yep.
And the first one.
Number 5 is the first one, yeah.
Number 5, the first one.
Yep.
Yes. Oh wait. There was something in one of these that I got wrong. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, that one's right. I have one of those later on that's marked wrong, and I don't know why, but.
I had a question on the next one.
What's the next one?
The point estimate.
Is that just the average or the mean of the total?
See, that's what I initially put in, which I got 0.729, which it was marked wrong.
That's wrong?
Is
That's wrong.
0.729 the average between those two p-hats?
So it's
Oh.
so what it is, you take the average between the two p-hats is what it is?
No, so that was my question. Is that what you guys put in for your answer on that one?
No, so what I did is I took the totals and I did it with the totals.
Oh, right. Okay.
But that wasn't right. Doing it with the totals wasn't right. So I did
What-
94 divided by 129.
And what did you get? What's that one?
I got 0.792 or 0.729, and that was wrong.
Okay, so if you do the average of the two p-hats, you get 0.727 rounded, but I don't know if that's right.
That doesn't
sound right to me, but I can't
Doesn't
think
sound right to me
what
either.
else would the point estimate be.
Well, I looked it up and it said the point estimate is essentially the mean. But what mean are they looking for?
Oh, you do P1 minus P2. Hang on. So that's what it is.
And that's it.
Minus P2. I think it's going to be 0.031.
0.0. Okay.
Because if you look in the instructions right above, it says create the confidence interval for the P1 minus P2.
Okay.
Oh,
So I think that's what it's going to be.
so 0.031.
0.031. Yep.
Okay.
And then you toss that in, and that kind of serves as your mean. And then you can find your margin of error off of those. Did you get all these already, Spencer?
These are ones that I missed.
Okay.
So when you're looking for the margin of error, what is the formula? I always miss this one. The margin of error.
Margin of error is the z-score, so the 1.96 times the square root of
Score?
Wait, my z-score is different.
Mine is too.
the
I-
one because the z isn't it the
On the spreadsheet,
oh my bad, sorry, you're right, sorry, excuse me, I did say that wrong.
Do
Am I
we
gonna
have
mess this up?
4?
Sorry, it's been a long last couple of days.
Do you guys have 0.394 for your z-score?
Yes.
how did you get that?
That just comes from inputting the numbers into the two sample z-test portions and then making sure your confidence level is at 0.95 and then the type of test is P1 less than P2.
Whoa, wait, hang on.
Wait,
You have less than P2?
Oh wait, I'm sorry, that might be from the next one.
Yeah, I
P
think
not
that's
equal
just
to
It's yeah, I'm sorry.
This one's supposed to be equal to, isn't it?
not
Yeah,
equal to.
not equal
not
to.
equal to.
That's still the same.
Yeah. Okay, so to find the margin of error on this one, so I take the answer that we put in for number 6, which essentially becomes our mean, and then you subtract the lower input, the lower bound, whatever you call it. Yeah. So you subtract the lower bound, and then you take the upper bound minus that number, and then it should give you the same number, meaning that that's your margin of error. That's just my way of doing it. I don't think that's like actually written anywhere, but I know that gets me the right answer.
Can you say it one more time?
So take the answer that we got in number 6.
Okay.
So the
So the 0.031.
okay.
So then take 0.031 minus negative 0.123, which is the lower bound.
Okay.
And that gives you,
Okay.
does that give you 0.154?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you take the upper bound and subtract 0.185. So to do 0.185 minus 0.03.
Why 0.185?
Because that's
Oh,
the upper
0.185 because that's the upper bound. Gotcha.
Right, yeah. So then take 0.185 minus the 0.031. So so that's your margin of error because that gives you 0.154 for both of them.
Oh, I see.
So your margin of error is just how off are you, or how far does it go in either direction from the point estimate.
Will it always be the same?
That it should be every single time that I've ever done this. That's the
No,
way
that makes sense. That's
Yeah.
just your way of doing it. That's
way
if you have the
easier.
upper. That's if you
Yeah.
have the upper and lower bound and you found the point estimate.
Yeah.
But it won't. If you don't have one of those, you're gonna be out of luck.
Yeah. But every single time I've had to do one of these questions, I've just done that.
You've always had it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I
That
think
makes
we should
sense.
always have it.
Okay. Lesson learned tonight. Thank you.
Yep. Okay. So then, are we on number 10?
Yeah. Number 10, but the first one?
Yeah. So the negative 0.123, right?
Yeah.
For number 8? Yeah.
And then 9 is 0.185.
Yep.
So we failed to reject the null. So that's the top one.
Yeah.
Yep.
So there is insufficient evidence to suggest.
Maybe the last one.
Is it the last one?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's some more information. So this one we're going after the dyed, right? So we take the dyed number.
Yes.
So we do, so the X1 and the X2 are the die numbers, right?
Yeah. I didn't even realize they put an X next to it and an N.
And then it's out of the total.
Just remember, don't have a heart attack on the weekend.
They'll never have a heart attack ever. Sounds a lot better to me.
Even better advice. So this is a less than, right?
Mhm.
Less than.
P1 is less than P2, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just to make sure I input that right, what are you guys getting for your z-score and p-value?
Negative 2.020
Okay.
for the z, and then 0.022 for the p-value.
Mhm. Exactly.
All right. Are we good to move forward then with number 12?
Yes.
So the conditions are met for this one. Because the spreadsheet says so.
Yes.
Mhm.
This one's the little bottom one.
I think.
Yeah.
So P1 is 0.141,
Yeah.
P2 is 0.145.
Yes.
And speaking of action, what if F. Marcy, oh my God, Secretary goes in with charges to my complaint. Obviously, the party.
Z score is the -2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Negative 2.02.
Okay.
So is 17 you'd shade to the left?
Left. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, sucker.
Did you see what college drink it got?
So then the p-value would be 0.978, right?
I have,
0.022.
yeah, that's what I have as well, 0.022.
Oh, sorry, the
This is
p-value.
already given to us.
Like I said, it's been a 0.02. Sorry, I was pulling out from the normal probability of it.
Oh, okay.
So we reject.
We reject, and then number 3.
Number 3 is what
We have
okay. I can go ahead and submit that and see if we got it. Okay. All right, 100%. Go for it.
Perfect.
awesome.
Okay, and just to update all of you, all of us got that message from Brother Polson. I'm assuming the one that went to the whole class. I checked just like an hour ago, and he hadn't given us any feedback yet on our design the project. So I'm going to go ahead right now, and I'm going to send an email to the TA just to make sure that we're going to get this done.
Okay.
Sounds good.
You guys go buy your M&Ms already?
No, I haven't had a chance to.
I did a practice run.
Yeah, practice. Yeah.
But- all right, guys. So, any questions before we finish up?
No, I
Nope.
think we're good.
All right, we'll talk to you guys on Thursday then.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.